Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing VS Code and any runtimes you need, Node or Python, for example. Once done, open your project folder so the editor can index files and offer IntelliSense. You should also enable settings sync right away, because that saves extensions, themes, and key bindings across machines. Make sure to sign in when prompted. It streamlines restoring your environment. These steps get you into a productive state quickly, and let the editor provide meaningful suggestions. Next, customize VS Code so it matches your workflow. Install language extensions, a linter, and a formatter to get instant feedback and consistent code style. Then edit settings. JSON to set tab size, format on save, and enable useful visuals like render whitespace. This enforces consistency. After that, add tasks. JSON and launch. JSON to automate builds and debugging, doing so saves repetitive steps. Once configured, use the command palette to quickly access commands. Finally, integrate version control and finalize your workspace layout. You should use the source control pane or get CLI to commit, branch, and merge changes. This keeps work safe. Pin frequently used files, adjust the panel layout, and set keyboard shortcuts. If VS Code feels slow or an extension misbehaves, open developer tools to check errors, then disable or reinstall the offending extension. If that fails, reset the user settings. This often resolves persistent issues without losing project files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.